Hi fellow viewers, to everybody who are listening live in social media. By the way, uh, this video has a purpose. Since we are now in the digital age, I would like to inform to all viewers in across the globe, my fellow Filipinos. Right now, sociology is in demand in the whole Philippines. So why did I say this? Because this video is very vital and significant because I've been observing mostly sociology is about the study of society, norms, behavior of each people, or such as human behavior that leads to qualitative and quantitative analysis. Okay, the purpose of this video is to inform to all fellow Filipinos that sociologist is now in demand, and my advice, if you are graduate as sociologist in the Philippines, my advice is you need to have an office. By the way, before you have an office, see to it that you have background experiences about sociology. Why did I say this in this video? Because mostly sociologists are outside Philippines. There are also sociologists in respective universities in other schools. Yes, such as state universities, private colleges. But this video is about sociology as a practitioner. This is my main point in this video because mostly in the Philippines, psychologists, psychiatrists, but they cannot make an office in the Philippines, so mostly they go to other countries. I give you an example. Take for example, in America, Europe, they have sociology office. I hope this video will call an attention to all sociologists in the whole Philippines, not only in the schools but to practice it privately. I know this is a cost for you as a sociology practitioner. Uh, you can share this to the other viewers who are sociology practitioner. Thank you for listening. Good morning.